In this video, I'm going to go over your table page for your HTML project 2. If you don't have it open already, please open brackets and open your project files. Now we should already have on our second page, my table page is going to be roster. Might be. So on my roster page, I have my HTML skeleton. If you don't have it, go watch the previous video. Now I already have my navigation menu on my beginning page. So you want to copy from the beginning of your navigation all the way to the end. Highlight it, and you can either click Control C or right click and click copy. Go to your other page, tab over inside the body tag and click Control V or right click and paste. Now if we run this page, you should see that we have our navigation menu now at our top page. However, home is emphasized, so you want to change the emphasis, put it around the current page. So for me, that's roster. We need to add a H1 to show what page we're on. So I'm going to add H1 for roster. And I'm going to do H3, do player. I have a header and I have a subheader. Below that, you want to add a paragraph for your table page. So if you're doing a restaurant, maybe describe the items on the menu, or if you're doing a team, just a general paragraph about the players. So go over to your project documentation and copy that now. Let me go get something about the New York Red Bulls just so I have filler text. There we go. Okay, so below your paragraph is where you are now going to add the table. So to do that, we have to add an opening table tag followed by a TR tag. Now, your rows, your headers, your columns are going to be different for each project. All you need is 30 cells. So do the math. You should pre-build your table in the Google Sheet I provided you to make sure you have 30 cells. Mine will be 10 rows by 3 columns. So I'm going to start my opening row, add a TH for player name, followed by a TH for and player. So if I save it and run it, you'll see that I have a table here. We don't have borders, so it's kind of hard to see. So in our opening table tag, add border equals 1. We run it, now you see it works out like that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add another row and just have normal table data now for name, number. This should be number. This should be position. Now I'm not going to go through this entire video and put the player number, their name, position. So this is filler text for me. For you, it should not be filler text. Now I have one row of normal table data. So I can go ahead and copy from the beginning tag to the end tag, click Control Z, Control C, or right click and copy. I need 9 total table data rows because I have a TH row, 10 rows, is 30. Copy and paste that. 1, 3, 5, 6. This will involve you doing a little bit of math to figure out how many rows you need. 30 cells. If I save it, here's what my table looks like. Now this is for almost full credit, but again, if you want full credit, so the 5 points on the rubric for your table, you need to do row span or column span somewhere. So in my case, maybe if all of them were midfield, I could span these columns. All of them are forwards, I could span these columns, defenders. Figure out what works best for your table and figure out how you can get full credit. Below the table, I'm going to add an image of the team. I'm going to add an image RC. Go over to the other tab and get a picture of the. Place the right click, copy image address into the source. So there is a picture of my team. I'm also going to add a link to this. So you want to wrap your image just like a gift or like a sandwich, however you want to remember the metaphor. So I'm going to add an A tag and the href attribute. You want to wrap the image, so you want to put the closing A tag on the bottom of the image. There we go. And wherever you want the page to go to, you simply just put in the href attribute. So mine's going to go to newyorkredbulls.com/players. If I save it and go to my website, I can click this picture and it will take me to the official page for the roster. So this sums up your table page. We have our navigation menu, our headers, our paragraphs, our table of 30 cells, and our image with a link.